Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So I ain't gonna hold you, sis, okay? I ain't gonna hold you. SHEIN has been coming through with the come through, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and start the video like that. SHEIN has been coming through with the come through, okay? Is this not the perfect summer bob wig? Like, let's keep it a whole book. This is the perfect summer bob wig, okay? But let me give you guys the details and specs, and then I will go on and rave about how I feel about this wig. So I'm guessing you already know, girl. Alright, details and specs. Okay, so it says it's a glueless 5x5 body wave, reddish brown, number 33, lace closure barrel curls bob wig. And then it has the SKU number. And then, okay, so the length that I have it in is 16 inches, is reddish brown or number 33. It's 180% density and it's a 5x5 lace closure. So those are all the details and specs that I have on this wig straight out the gate, okay? I will have a direct link to the unit so you guys can get more details and specs. But oh girl came pre-tweezed, she came pre-bleached, she came pre-plucked, she came pre-curled, honey. She was pre-everything, okay, girl? She was pre-everything, and all I had to do was slap old girl on, and I did go ahead and apply my adhesive because the lace was a little too light for me. And I just feel like the adhesive helps with that. But I did show you guys what it was like and how it was fitting without any adhesive. And I even did a little head shake, you know, little, hey, now don't mess up my hair. I even did a little head shake for you guys. So you can definitely wear this unit glueless if you want to. You guys know I live for a good closure. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not experienced any of the things straight out of the packaging. That's not to say, oh girl won't at some point. Just straight out of the packaging, she is doing none of the things. And I did not have to curl this entire unit. All I had to do was curl the front, which makes it very, very like beginner friendly to me, especially if you're not a curler or somebody that doesn't like to curl like wigs all the time. I feel like this hair will maintain a good curl. You may have to bump it here and there, but I do feel like it will maintain a good curl. They pre-tweezed the heck out of this hairline, honey, okay? As you guys know, I don't like to do any of those things, but I do want to go ahead and mention they did send me this little kit, and you can purchase this from SHEIN as well. This is their lace tint mousse, and I did use that. I love this stuff. It's really, really good. And I'm pretty sure they have different colors, but I have it in light brown. I really love this stuff. And yeah, that is pretty much it. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, you can make it work across the board. I do feel like when that elastic band is not tight, it's more big head friendly, and when it's tighter, it gives small head. Okay, so I feel like you can make it work across the board, but I only have the head that's on my shoulders, and that is an average cap size. So girl, do whatever you want to do with that. Okay, now we can get into my pros and cons as well as the full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. As far as cons with this wig, honestly, y'all, I'm not gonna hold you, I don't have any. I really like this wig, other than my natural hair is growing again. But the wig in general, I love the wig. I have no cons for this unit whatsoever. The pros are endless. I literally told you guys it's pre-everything, okay? It's pre-everything. Oh girl just comes ready straight out of the packaging. SHEIN is doing its thing. It is the ultimate beginner friendly / lazy girl friendly wig. So yeah, those are the pros. Girl, we can skip this part. I ain't even had no cons. Okay, so moving on. Alright y'all, so let me give you guys this full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Oh girl is coming through. I love her, okay? Let me know how you guys feel. Let me know, have you guys copped you a unit from SHEIN yet? Like, if you haven't, girl, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? I love my SHEIN wigs. Like, they are a staple for me. Like, they're my go-tos these days, which is insane because they're super affordable, but they are my go-to wigs, and you guys know I live for a closure. I live for a closure, girl. So yeah, let me know down below, have you guys tried the SHEIN wigs yet? I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out you SHEIN for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and you feel like I may have left out, please feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HelpToMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely.